I'm using series expression. I got it for one today, and I'm using three, two black and one color 27. I'll actually finish up with the back. I use color 27 at the back. So I'm using the black from the front. There are 8 pieces like these are the packets, so 8 of these inside one pack. And when I first started, I divided it into 2 and use it. So I saw that it was too big, it was looking too big, and I don't want it too big, so I now decided to divide it into 3, and I only double it once. Like after the first one, I double it again to give me this length. But if you want a length longer than this, then you double it the second time. You add it to it the second time. I only added to it once, so it gave me this length. I was okay with this length. I don't want it too long, neither too short. This is a brown length. So I use this. So I'm dividing this one into 3. I remove the, what's it called? And when you're trying to divide it, you need to be careful. You know it's a synthetic product, not human hair. So divide it into 3. 1, 2, 3. So, well, this was because of my age, a Jericho hair, so it's trying to lose back. As you can see, it's losing back. But any which ways, we move. So I'm trying to keep these ones away from my working place. I use my crochet pin or crochet hook or crochet latch, whichever way. Hold on. Remove it. And you make the one length shorter while this other one that we're wrapping around it longer. So wrap it firm to your hair so it can hold. After wrapping like 2-3 times, then you start your distress look by using your thumb to hold the hair, wrap it like this, wrap it 2 times, hold the hair out with your thumb, wrap it 2 times, hold the hair out with your thumb, wrap it 2 times. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. It's very easy. It's not stressful at all. Very easy. So when the extra length, when you've exhausted the one you're using, hold it down, then take the next one that I told you I added to it twice, wrap, same process. Use your thumb to hold out your distress what's it called, wrap twice, hold it out, wrap, wrap, hold it out, wrap, hold it out, wrap. Like that till you get your, as it is like this. I'll need to, if you want a longer length, you just add another one, but since this is the length I require, I'll just, okay, I'm trying to get the measurement with this. Okay, So when you get to this side, all you just need to do is fluff it out, then wrap it upward. Wrap it upward. Wrap the remaining one upward so that it can be secured. So this is virtually everything is. Then just this is everything. That's all. Let me do another one so that you guys can see. Okay, let me try it again at this side so that you guys can understand well. I started with putting my crochet hook, crochet latch, crochet pin, whichever thing you call it, inside. Then I take the extension that I have already divided in my crochet. Longer length and wrap 2, wrap 3 tight and open. 1, 2. So at this point, I'm taking this, then continue.